here from Logiix, and today I'm going to talk to you about the USB to Ethernet connectors that we have. Firstly, starting off with the USB-C to Ethernet connector, this new connector for the MacBook 12-inch is perfect because the new MacBooks don't come with an Ethernet connection. If you are looking for a faster, more secure connection to the internet, you want to be using the USB-C cable. We also have the USB-A to Ethernet connector. This is good with the MacBook Airs 11-inch and 13-inch, as those do not have an Ethernet output. We have the third option here, which has the 3 USB outputs as well as the Ethernet connector. This is unique because you can charge your phone, your tablet, and for example, your speaker, all while being connected to the internet. All 3 of these have a unique LED indicator to indicate the status of the internet connection. All of these are available at London Drugs or londondrugs.com.